Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is subtracting the following, and we have to subtract 7,109,320 minus 6,863,677. Here, let us write first minus 6,863,677. Now 0 minus 7 is not possible, so we borrowed from tens place. So that 0 will convert it to 10 and 2 will convert it to 1. 10 minus 7 is 3. Again 1 minus 7 is not possible, so we borrowed from this 3. So that 3 will convert it to 2 and that 1 will convert it to 11. So 11 minus 7 is 4. Again 2 minus 6 is not possible, so we borrowed from 9. That 9 will convert it to 8 and 2 will convert it to 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 8 minus 3 is 5. 0 minus 6 is not possible, so we borrowed from this 1. That 1 will convert it to 0 and that 0 will convert it to 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Now this 0 minus 8 is not possible again. So we borrowed from this 7. 7 will convert it to 6 and that 0 will convert it to 8. So 0 will convert it to 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. Hence 7,109,320 minus 6,863,677 equals to 245,643.